Let me help you.
No,
What
no,
the-
no, 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 no.
This game's so stupid.
I don't think they are.
No,
It's
no,
called
no, 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 no.
multi-shop terminal.
Okay, okay. Well, I was about to hit this, but my health is very low now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, I see him. He's trying to do the same to me right now. Not today. Okay, he has a lot of health. Actually, no!
Oh my, the fuck is happening?
The shotgun. Shotgun.
Oh my god, I got 2 of them.
What did you get? Little disciple. Oh my god!
Did you fall? I'm coming. God damn it.
I was about to say. I thought that was it. No! I told you, Justin. I told. There's heresy to reset. I'm going up.
No way! I just lost my extra life.
Oh wow, he actually followed me.
Crap. I'm gonna try to lure these guys into the void. No way!